Hey everyone, I just finished crazy great trading session. How I got more than 10k in one session. Continue watching this video till the end and you'll find out. Let's start. I'm Oliver. Let's go. So guys, today we're gonna start with $100 and with a parabolic SAR indicator and a stochastic oscillator. Particularly, I love the stochastic. It's a pretty good deal to work with. So let's start with this here. We're in the flat market, but the stochastic has shown a short signal, so we'll follow that, and hopefully we can benefit from this one. Let's wait for the result and continue. Okay, so we just got a profit from this option, 92%, $92 obviously, and 192 we're gonna make, we're gonna put in our next option. Guys, I just want to say that don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, because this helps a lot. This channel, my team and me, we can share more info with you, and the link is going to be in the description to the Telegram group where we share a lot of useful information, so you can learn about indications. So I just saw a nice indication there. I'm gonna go in with 192 for the call option, and let's see. I think it should start going up, the price, from this kind of, so because it just been in a downtrend, and then it went into a oversold area zone, and then it got out, so it crossed this resisting level, and so now it is working off it as a support level. So let's see if that works out. I'm excited about this session because I think today we're gonna make some nice profit, so let's see. And this is our next profit, 364 in total. It is 90% payout, and we're going to use the entire balance, so we can make even bigger profit from each option. So it just grows exponentially, it grows bit by bit. So when you start with $100, it's okay, but when you start with something smaller, you see this is a support line there that we have, so we're gonna go ahead and make a call option here, because I'm expecting a bounce of this support line. Also, stochastic there is a so indicating, but it should have been, because we entered into a flat, but it should have been crossing up, showing us that it started, so the trend is started forming for a bullish, for the bullish trend. But right now it's in the flat, but I'm expecting a bounce off this support level more than anything else. So let's wait for this to finish and continue. Here we are, 691. That's a pretty good already profit in just a few minutes. We're gonna go ahead, 692, and continue. I leave the link in the description to this video also, along with the invitation link to the Telegram group. And yeah, a few words about that is basically I have a really good team that helps me to to help you guys share knowledge and stuff like that. So be sure to check out the group. Let's just see this quickly. Right, so I've just made this short option. Yeah, so there is basically we have the stochastic that's showing that we're just entering into the or re-entering into the oversold zone, and basically the SAR, parabolic SAR, also is showing us that the short the downtrend is kind of starting. Yeah, and there we are. So this was a strong impulse. This red line, this red candle was a strong impulse for us, and there we are. It's entering, and we already made a profit. So even if it doesn't stay there, we already made a profit with the tools that we used, indicators, knowledge of how the chart basically works. And okay, so 1000, and let's check the other. See this on SAR also, that's showing that the price is going down. So we're going to go ahead with both indicators showing the signal to go into short, and that's what we're going to do. I was saying that with the knowledge of these tools, indications, we can make pretty. I mean, it's not 100, it's never 100%, but pretty close. Decisions could be made if you have all the knowledge and tools, instruments on your side, and you have a strategy basically. Right now, what we're doing, it's not exactly it's a strategy, but it's a kind of a dynamic trading. So you do create strategies for a bit longer time frames, so hours, days, weeks, months, etc. You can make strategies for these huge time frames, but here we use the kind of a strategy for the certain, so like for the certain stock or currencies, because when you look at it a lot, then you start to see patterns and behaviors that you can pretty much, so it is a strategy kind of, yeah, knowing your victim basically. All right, so here we see a downtrend, and there was a resistance level, and then it didn't work out, so it started going down. Okay, and then there was all right, so let's see, we just made a $2,000 option in short. So let's see how that turns out, but well, from what I see, it's basically a situation where probably a downtrend will continue for now. Let's wait and see. Here is the profit from this one. 4,000 we have on our balance already. So remember, we started with 100. That's going really well, so we're gonna continue like this. Okay, so the next one we can make is 4,000. Let's go to this option there. Let's close a few. Let's just jump to one of those here. Maybe this one, 92%. You gotta keep an eye on the payout as well, because it changes. It's not static. It's not permanent. So this currency could be 92% now, but then in an hour it's gonna be 70%. So you wanna get to the highest payouts. So from time to time, just keep an eye on that. Let's make kind of a clear, well, you see there was a huge downtrend there, and then it entered into a flat, but then we have now a resistance level to deal with. So what happens is, I think even if it's a pullback, even if it's a bounce off the resistance level, and we can profit from it, that's good for me. So let's wait for the result of this one, and we continue. And here is the profit. That's a pretty good one. $7,715 on the balance. Right, let's do something. Let's go to the next one. Okay, stochastic is showing us a rise. Okay, let's jump on it. It's a really strong impulse there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, we use all in with that one. Nice. Okay. Yeah, so basically there is a trend forming there. Hopefully, I mean, even if we are just in, that's good enough, but if you put the time frame longer, also it's nice to work with longer time frames sometimes, but here I try to do it a bit more dynamic, so it's not so boring, but even for me, including me, because kind of if you put a few minutes, then I mean the videos getting quite long as well. So with 1 minute it's perfect timing, but then I really like also 2 minutes, 3 minutes and 5 minutes sometimes, depending on the situation. Oh, one of them didn't go through. See what happens. Not all of them came through, but we made a pretty good income here for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's stop here. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.